Let's create a QR code for Google Forms. First of all, open the form and click on Send. And here select Link and copy your Google Form link. Now open a new tab and type here QR code. Search for QR code monkey and you have to open this website qrcode-monkey.com. Once you are in this website, here you have to select URL and here you have to paste your Google Forms URL or link that you just copied. And now to customize your QR code, click on Set Colors and click on this color box and you can go ahead and select a different color, and if you want you can select color gradient. And now you can change your QR code background color from here and click on Add Logo Image. And now from here you can select existing logo or image, and to upload your custom logo just click on Upload Image, and from your computer go ahead and select your logo. And here click on Customize Design, and here you will find a bunch of different body shape. You can go ahead and select any of them. You can change iframe shape, eyeball shape, and once you're happy just click on Create QR Code. And here we can see a unique QR code successfully generated. In my case, I'm going to changing this color to black, and again clicking on Generate QR Code. And now you can save this QR code as a SVG file, PDF, EPS, and to download as PNG, click here. And that's it. Here, as you can see, I've successfully generated a QR code for my Google Forms. Now you can go ahead and share this QR code. Thanks for watching.